Go.
Ano mo, ang
One.
Oh my God, his hair!
Go.
Oh!
Get out of the box. You did it. Go.
Go wherever you want.
What?
You go over there by Salem. Get out.
Come on, get that flag.
First down.
Hey, wider, get wider. Rocker, rocker, rocker.
Go. One. Two.
Go, LA.
Hey, stay on, stay on.
Go. One. Two.
There we go. Good job, good job. Ball, bring it defense. Al, starting D, let's go. Stop. LA, we're here. Fight out a little bit. Hey, you scoot in. Come here. Hey, there you go. You're fine. Hey, back up. Gio, back up. We got the sideline to help you out.
Sorry. Go. Go.
Just go coverage. Just go to coverage.
2. 3.
Hey, Paul, shot.
4.
Go. Upfield. Hey, Michael. So they're gonna do change snap count. Pay attention. We got this.
Second down in midfield.
Here we go. Actually, correction. Pump.
Here's your rush line.
Pump. Number 8, take 2 steps, or take 3 steps to your left. Right there. Good job. Luke, stay right there.
Okay.
Go.
1. 2.
Fumble. Third down. Hey. Pump.
You like this. Hey, just make sure you don't touch him really. Third down midfield, pass only.
Hey, they gotta get here, scoot up. Hey, safety, come to me.
Here's your rush line.
Come to me. Hey, Gio, LA, scoot up. They need to cross that line. Gentlemen, where do they need first down?
Right here.
Here, so scoot up, except for my safety.
Fourth down.
Stay on the line. 14, scoot down. Inside leverage. Inside.
Punt.
Mario. All right, offense.
Go for it. Go.
Hold up.
We're going for it.
Now they don't want to play.
Coach, you want to lose that timeout?
Hey, scoot up.
Yeah, sorry.
14, scoot up.
Yeah, we'll go. Whatever you want. That's what
Ball.
happened later.
Gio,
There you go.
scoot up.
Hey, me and Paul.
Michael, scoot back to the brass, see the blitz.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good D. Offense right there. Starting offense, let's go.
Defense, go, same ones.
Freaking Lisa calls me like 12:30. She calls me like 12:30.
1.
And then when you didn't...
Rush!
I'm like...
12.
Although I'm kind of sad I missed.
Red 4, play 12.
Pass only.
We got second in midfield.
Front 4, keep everything in front of that line.
Oh, that is first down.
Go.
I want
Got you right here.
dagger to the right.
Bounce, right? I dropped it. All right, you dropped it. Thank you, sir.
Good, Luke.
Thank you, sir.
Dagger, Luke. Dagger.
Next down.
Hey, dagger over on this side. I want dagger over here.
Go. 1, 2.
Defense. It's all right. Take it off. Michael, take it off. I saw what you saw. right side, let's dump it off. Hey! Migo! Great, come on! Hey! Scoot up! LA, scoot up! Right there! Michael, you're going. Hey, LA, scoot over to your left. See how they got three over there? Scoot over. Both y'all, scoot over. Bump to your left. Hey, quiet! Hey, you see him right there, right? You only have one receiver on that side. As soon as you see that quarterback, so go. You're ready to break, all right? Good job. Hey, Migo.
Second down and go. Second and go.
Demarion, inside leverage.
Here's your rush line.
Gio, scoot in, right there. Get all the way on the side. All right, there we go. Hey, come into me, Demarion. Right there, now, go back out. Hey, roll down left. You're strong.
Go.
Roll.
1, 2, 3. Third and go.
Good job.
Mia.
Hey.
Let's go. Got third and go.
19.
Hey, one stop.
Not the goal line.
Stop. Hey, LA, you go. Back up. LA, back up. Michael. Stay there, but coverage. Can't go. You can't. Michael, go.
2, 3, 4, 5. Get rid of it.
Fourth. Oh, yeah, it's offense.
It's only 3.
Offense.
11.
Hey. I want go. Oh, excuse me. I want play number 8, just as it is. Play 8. One straight left. Rocker.
I don't know.
Egan.
Second down, and midfield.
Play 15. Black 1. 15. 15. Should be black right.
I think you'll watch it. Watch the straight pass.
Watch the handoff.
Get him.
First down.
I was on 2.
Hey, is it 3 high? Michael, we still seeing 3 high? Hey, Kobe.
Ezekiel, you got 8 there.
Hey, tell your center which way to go. I want him going flat. An arrow left or an arrow right.
Yeah, you're playing man. 4-2.
1, 2.
Get that regame.
Yeah.
There we go.
Good job. 1. Actually, can we run on 1 or no?
Aiden, Eli, you guys need to communicate which guy you guys got.
Hey, 1. Play 1.
Here we go. Here's your rush line. 1, 2, 3.
Get up in.
Defense, let's go. Hey, LA. Play out real fast. Ricky. Play linebacker. Wait, no. Sorry. Go back out.
Defense, come here.
Hey.
I have a rush here.
LA, you blitzing. LA, get inside. LA, scoot this way. To me.
Go.
And then go. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Get him.
Hey, we need to communicate. Hey, sir, Gio, when he goes vertical and he's going in, you need to pass it off and let him know. Break.
Down,
All right?
down midfield.
Hey, Migo, oh, I'm sorry. 3.
Hey, 3.
I want you to go unless there's 3 receivers to his side. All right, LA, you going again. LA, back up behind. Michael, stay right there. You good?
Go, go.
One.
Migo! Migo! Migo!
16.
Third in midfield.
Hey, my corners. Play off. There you go. 5-by-1. Nope. Scoot up a little bit. Damari, scoot up a little bit. Right there. Yep. If you want, you can both go. LA, back up. You're fine.
Go.
Roll down. Roll down.
2.
Hey. Hey.
Down, coach. Cut.
Hey, we almost got burnt there. We gave up a wide open. Oh, no. People didn't say hi. 16. Let's go. 16.
Hey, run there. Oh, I thought you were saying hey like down.
Ricky. No. Kim. No.
down there and she had a hard time. So,
Number 9, play number 9.
she's right behind. I sent her a text. I said, and I also said I will leave, so. She was like,
1, 2, 3.
Defense, let's go! Michael! Come out for a second.
when you run that one,
Jackson!
we don't run into each other.
Linebacker.
I'm over you.
Scoot out! Hey, the ball's down here! Scoot out! You don't need flags! All right, hurry up! Hurry up! Line up! Line up! Line up! Put them on in a second. LA, slide out to your left.
Where you play safety?
Give me those slides.
Coach, what are we?
3-3-3.
Hey, 3-3.
Give me the. I need another flag.
Let's go, guys.
Jackson A. Go inside. You come outside. Have him lift.
On you.
Hey, bounce over. LA. Bounce over. Jackson. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey, hey, Jackson, I waited to recognize that you were behind him and he couldn't go, but you were my initial blitz man. I need you going. Hey, here we go.
I think so.
Scoot up. Scoot up. Jackson, hey, you stay there. Hey, scoot to the middle of the field. We're in, hey. Sir, Luke, we're in 3. Back up. LA, scoot over. Damari, scoot to me. Jackson, work to me. Jackson, work to me. This is not broke, no sticks. Number 9, red 1. Red 1. Center. Hey, tell him he's flat down the line. 1 step forward or flat. We're on play 9. You're going too high. Take 1 step and then go flat down. Hey, formation. Hey, you were lined up. You were spread. You need to flush that up. Defense, let's go. Hey, Michael, straight. Y'all need water.
Rush line's right here.
All right, when I say you are, you are. Yes, unless they go 3 receivers. Hey, why y'all so deep? Scoot up. We're in 3. Luke, right there. Michael, you want to open up 3 plays? Line up. Damarian, scoot more in if they're like that. Damarian, if the other receiver's on this side, I want you 1 yard to the outside of the center, but best, your eyes only on the center.
Second down, midfield.
LA, back up behind the ref. There we go.
And then he has 2 Monday games.
1, 2, 3.
Michael, you 2 flip. If they do 3 by, I want you flips this time.
I won't be here.
Hey, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. LT, you're going to open up to Michael after he goes.
1.
Here we go.
2.
Hurry. Go to LA.
6.5 minutes.
Right here. Number 3.
And they think they
Hey, Michael, come here.
First down. First and goal. I'm kidding.
Once you come around, you gotta climb up the wheel, okay?
1, 2.
Yeah, Michael. That's my fault, Michael. Hey, you good, Michael? Can we cross it?
Aiden!
What's the 3rd down?
Second and goal.
Hey, Kobe.
Hey, Kobe. Kobe. Luke, cut him in half.
Go, Ricky. Go. 1.
Gideon, you gotta be behind the rush line, behind the ref.
3rd and goal.
Hey,
Yeah, you have to be.
play
rush, you have to
play
be behind
2,
the
play
rush.
2.
They'll set the rush line.
Luke, get your head on a swivel. That's going to you.
There, getting there.
Go. 1. White ball.
We're fine. Oh, I thought you already had.
No, because you already had pass.
Let's go defense. Let's go.
White ball.
Hey, good job, defense.
That's my fault. Lack of knowledge on my behalf. Hey, ball. They should have the ball there, shouldn't they?
No.
No? Okay.
It's a turnover. Pass midline.
Yep. Thank you, sir.
Coach, what are we in? Hey, Keith. Here's your rush line right here.
Hey, Luke, where should we be? LA, scoot out toward me. Michael, scoot out toward me.
This is like they zip them. Yes.
Go.
1, 2.
Hey, palm.
Hey, palm.
3 downs, right?
Second down and
They get
midline.
4 downs over here.
From the middle. Here's your rush line.
Hey, scoot up. LA, scoot up. Demaria, scoot up. Hey, safety, spread out. Safeties, get wider.
2, 3.
Hey, who's number 8?
8.
Who's number 8? Hakeem. We're in pump. You're responsible for deep pass. That player went vertical. Pump.
Third down. Midfield.
Pump. Demaria, scoot up. Actually, play off now. Play off. Demaria, back up. Luke, back up. Scoot, hey, Luke, come to me. Luke, come to me. Come to me. Come to me.
1,
Yes.
2. In the air.
Is the punt or they going? Offense!
2 minutes.
Same defense.
2 minutes.
Ricky, in for LA. LA, flat out real fast.
Gideon.
You win. Who are you going for?
I got a quick second half.
Go in for Jackson. Young.
Burning like that. Yeah, sure.
All right.
Gideon. Find the ref.
Well, look at you, bro. Get out the game. All the African oil in there. I got the
Make sure you watch that middle. Third down.
Number 12.
Third down in midfield.
Keep everything in front, Ethan. This is their first down marker. Keep everything in front of you.
Hey, Michael.
Under one.
The swing's back.
1, 2. In the air. I'll run it.
That's you. Who's that?
Time out. Time out.
It's clock stopped right now.
Oh, never mind. Hey, red one. Oh, sorry. 12.
Pass only. 4.
Huh? 9. Play 12.
12. Here we go, guys. Let's go. Rush line's right here.
Stay on your guy.
Oh, it's not.
All right. Defense. Let's go. Going for Michael. Get him your flags. Ricky, go in for Demarion. Hurt. Go in for LA.
Coach, try.
What's up?
Gotta do the try.
Okay. Hey, Hurt, go. 3. Luke, get back. Jack Andrews, come this way. Oh, we gotta try it? Sorry, go. Michael, back out there. Michael. Sorry.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Play 13. 13, let's go. We're on offense. Offense. Extra point, boys.
Go, Darnie, timeout.
Fine.
Timeout.
Thank you. I didn't know we got it. Starting offense. Sorry, Ralph, I misunderstood. I just assumed we run defense.
Gotcha.
It's because we're so close.
Have Roger right there.
1, 2. White ball.
Yeah, I'm down to go to that. So I'm sure Alex would be so ecstatic to go watch.
Defense! That defense I just said go!
I'm sure Alex would be delighted to go.
Everyone's going to. I don't want to hear it.
Okay.
Kurt, I want you to go stand next to the ref and blitz. Jackson, flip with no outside.
No. Rush line.
Hey, here we are. We're in this.
Bring it up.
Jaquan, don't go until you hear the second hut and the ball snap.
Watch the ball.
Go, Jaquan, go. Line back up.
You know, my part.
Hey, three. Guys, get set. We have 3 seconds.
Hurt, switch with Jackson. No, over here.
Where's Jackson?
Blitz, go. Hurt, go. That game? Half? Bring it in.
You're on this side.
Whoever's blitzing, make sure you're behind. Damien, scoot up. Hey, Hurt, come to me.
1-1-2.
Never! Wait,
What?
second start that for.
Hey!
But don't hesitate.
No.
Oh, hands up. Gideon, you don't like that.
Was he wide open? Hey!
All the way down there.
Who had him?
I was back here.
You're deep third. If that man on the outside goes vertical, you gotta run with him.
You had him.
I was down there. Oh, I just saw him by himself. I'm sorry. I was with you.
Hey, Gloria. Hey, Gloria.
Hey, scoot over, JD. Deacon, move over. Go. Number 7, jump down.
Why is my mom talking to me?
Oh, wait.
Hey, come here. Next time we're in that situation. You turned your head.
Hey,
He got separation because he broke to the corner. So what happened? Whoever I say is offense is on offense. I'm going to read him, and I don't watch him.
Harper's like,
They ain't leaving for the ball. Stop watching the ball. Hey, Kobe!
here we go, Paul's over.
Kobe! Hey, LA, you're too wide. Come in. Mike, scoot in a second. I'm just trying to help you out. There you go.
Now. Go. 1, 2,
Go!
3.
Come on. Oh, wait.
Sorry. Hey. On that throw, don't wait for him to be open. Once he gets even, we're in that round. If I'm even, go down. I'm already, hey, which way am I going? I'm going this way. He's back up. Once I toss that ball. Hey! Number
Guys, you gotta know that you're in a no-run zone.
Where's the ball at? Nobody outside.
You're going for the try. You're on the line. No run zone. No. That's lost it down, so it's a turnover. 18.
I had no idea. Hey, same thing I told him. You already noticed it. You should have been.
I will never put you Hey, I did all that. Hey, where's Abram? He's not on the Oh my God! Wyatt! Don't do it, Wyatt! Okay,
Three!
Is that Wyatt?
Actually, hey, Deegan, play middle third. Kamari, line up next to the ref and blitz.
Got the line, guys.
Right next to the ref and blitz. Get close, right next to him.
Be careful, 13, right? 13. Be careful, right?
No, Deegan, hey, I want him going. You stay. Pacheco, you stay.
Get him, David, get him!
Hey,
What are you doing?
Julian, this is to go catch the ball. Put it dive. Do it again. Do it again, Damien. Deegan, high safety, get down. Come on, do it again.
Same thing?
Yeah. Now, hey, you go on this side, you go on this side. Go whichever side you have that has more receivers. Right there.
10, 9.
Go, Stanley. Hey, you play middle. You come outside. No. Oh, no, offense. Same group of offense. Hey, Michael, quarterback. I want blocker. I want play number 8.
Play up. That's playing too deep. Safeties, you guys are playing too deep. Stay up.
Play 9.
Pass. Second down. Here's your rush line.
He's like right there.
1, 2, 3.
I need that motion. Hey, 12. Oh, check. 10.
What number? You gotta catch that, bro.
Third down. 2, 3. Fourth down.
That's why he's up for it. Fourth down. Hey, whatever you want.
Toby.
Fourth down, that is.
First down marker.
Hey, you gotta get first down.
Right there. The first down line right here. Michael, I'm 46. Hey, first down right here.
Back up, Damien.
1, 2.
Hey, extra point. I want 12. Next round of Punch in, hurt!
1, 2.
Defense out! That last defense out!
We're starting green.
Defense, get out there. I keep saying it. I'm going to try to repeat myself. Damien, go! Big! Nice throw! He's towards this heel! Hurt! Get out here! Jackson, I'll put you playing safety. Hey, go wide. Good. Everybody, yeah, middle safety. Hey, Kamari, go down. Blake, Keegan, go out wide. You get deep. Keegan, outside linebacker. Mr. John, where you at? 1, 2.
We're gonna record that.
Stop, Jack.
Hey, Jackson.
Here down. Keegan and Hurst. No, Kamari and Hurst. Blitz. Hey, Jackson, high. Damien, high. Jackson, A. There. Keegan, play low. Jackson. Hurt, right there. Don't go any further. Once you say so. Keegan, scoot up. Jackson, in. Damien, to me.
1, 2, 3.
Good pass.
First down. First and goal. First and goal. First down.
Hey, 3-3-3. Kamari, go. Hurd, middle. Young. Push it in. Hurd. Go in. Hurd. Kamari.
One of these.
Go in. Young. Oh yeah, get in. Damien, sit more in this way. Right there. Hurd, go. Hurd, blitz. How much pressure came Hey, this 3, Damien, come low. Kamari, go high. I should have Kamari, Hurd, and what's number 17's name? Corey, you should be high. Damien, come low. Play linebacker. Jackson, push in.
Down here, guys.
Are we on offense?
Yeah, coach, yes.
Oh, offense! Now offense! Let's go! Whatever the last offense was. Coach!
He said last one.
Coach!
We've already had enough.
Coach! Huh?
Final score's in, okay?
Oh, okay. How much time is left?
Let's do some trickery.
12 minutes. Hey, Michael, call the play.
The score's already in.
Hey,
It's 42.
Speed, unofficially.
They scored on like this.
Take off!
You
just do it.
Number two.
Analog stick.
Not like that. Michael's not like that.
Hey, 14.
Second down to go.
Hey, Water. No way. 14. 14. Hurt. Right here. Hurt. Running the slant. Look at my arrow.
10.
Too high.
9. 8. 1.
Hey, gentlemen, you run the arrow this way. That's what play says on 14, right? What you try to do? 14? Yeah.
Third down.
Hey, you 14 again and get him the running line. Hey, hurt.
Third and go.
In the middle. You're like your ring. You're running the arrow. You're going with the ball. Back up. Back up.
2. 3.
All right, next, hey, that next group of offense, switch this way. Go, switch this way. Go. 9.
Coach, I'm good.
Yeah, you want to. I got 7 players. LA, stay in. Hey,
10.
9.
7. 6.
What are you guys doing in the movie show? At Lindsay's house.
3. We should have. Defense, go! That last group of defense. Whoever says on defense, get out there. I have a wristband that I don't want.
I was like, did you put my ball?
Right here. Get on over here. We'll work on it. Let's go. That defense. Throw 3 high. That's how I want it to look. You. Over here. Your defense.
Sorry, I didn't like not a baby.
That's not a different way. Obviously, what do you think?
I want y'all to replay. Pete! Let's go!
We don't have like
Hey, that new offense out.
like
Whoever has a wristband should be out. If you have a wristband, get up there. If you have a wristband, let's go. If you don't have a wristband, off. Are we offense or defense?
yeah, for real. Big defense. We're having another problem. You want me out?
Hey, 17.
He said 17.
One. Hey, right here.
I don't remember calling that. Is that play?
You said 17.
Oh. 13,
Second down and go.
13,
Second down and go.
Oh, no, we can't run here.
Yeah, you can.
Matter, you started outside. Can I run here? Right. Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, hey. Hey, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13.
Start in front of it and you get back behind it.
Why do you feel like quarterback?
Two. Since I went off. This kid is. One.
Get in motion. That new group of defense, out. Defense. Jackson Young off. No.
That's how you drive down the field.
Oh. Hey, everybody off. Hey, I should have 6 people hurt off. I thought it was on. He switched it. Kamari off. Hey, safety. 12, get the safety. Your safety. Jackson, stay here. Demaria, safety. We're in 3. Hey, Ricky, go outside, push forward. Hey, push. Who's 14? Gio, middle safety. Hey, scoot up. Deegan, scoot up. Damien, scoot up. You're blitzing. Hey, Jackson, go in that way, closer to the center.
1, 2. Right here.
Hey, so Jackson, is there any receivers wide over here for you to cover? No, so you cover grass. So if the center's here, I want you 5 yards off, 1 yard out, double watching, just come to me. Line up.
Stick it down.
Scoot up, Jackson, scoot up. Deegan, scoot up. Damien, you're going, stay next to the ref.
Oh, no way.
Get in, Damien. Hit that.
Good job.
Come on, Jackson.
All right, let's go.
I was going to say, stop.
Deegan and Damien, go. Stand next to the ref. Deegan, scoot up.
16.
14, scoot up.
1, 2,
Tiger, hey, quiet. Let it go. Hey, don't talk to parents. Just ignore them. Palm, scoot up, palm. Hey, starting offense. Did I score? No, let's go. Go back, defense. Start down. Palm, come, Tamari, come down. Tamari, come down. Outside of Jackson. Tamari, over here. Hey, line up. Let's go. Hey, we're playing defense. Let's go.
Hey, it's still defense.
Deegan.
Yeah.
Go. Demario, scoot outside over here. Jackson A, scoot inside. Jax, and keep going.
Come on,
Hey, starting offense.
Oh shit, I don't got flags. Hey, King, let me get flags.
Who won? What's his name?
Michael!
I got that.
Game. Hold on, Dave. Come here.
Hey, let's go.
Who's the white glass?
Why she get so mad? Hey, come here. Come here. Oh, that's an opportunity.
You win.
Understand?